Yes, Lucky Baba. You had a real good day. You had a real good day. This is worth it. This guys. Yes guys, should life finish and I'm back from New York. I bring all the babies. The guys, the next day I'm back from New York, I probably the babies tell them I carry them out, including Kevin. You happy, baby?
Yeah.
And we brought them to Fun Splash. Very nice, quiet place. You sit down right here, you watch your kids, and you just relax. Nice, beautiful weather. I could do with a little thunderstorm, Kevin, what you say?
Yeah,
be a lot of fun. Price was $50 per child under 12 and $80 for adult. And if you want one of these tents here, it was $200. So it was a little fortune to bring in the crew, but I think it's well worth it. What do you think, Kevin?
I don't know.
Kevin say you had I spent like almost seven
something.
Kevin say we can go in the beach and buy nice things with our money.
So if I get too expensive, if you're getting a tent, you shouldn't have a mission. That should be inclusive in our package.
When some people come in, eh?
Yeah, when you get some people like, you know.
I say so too, but all in all, we Trinidad for the beach.
Yeah.
So that was the main reason. Otherwise, I went at the beach any single day. I don't know that. So we forgot the floaties home, and I know bought some floaties for them there. So it's our floaties and things in case of anything. And we have some special food. We'll show you a little bit later. See how it goes. Kinda, this one real hot, right? This is how it goes, guys.
Hi, Jimmy. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. You're so cute. Amma. You good? Say hi.
And then meet some. Oh, nice man. And
Yeah.
what's I thought it. But you try around, check it out. Yeah, that's good for you. And I'll be shopping the chicken. She you eating too, right? And I bought some Royal Castle. You know, I want a wing or something? A wing?
Jerry, that's nothing? Oh, yeah, mom.
Check it out, nice food. Yeah. How was the macaroni this then? Taste it now. It look real then. Then we close then. I got it me too. Okay, good. How this then? It good? Jerry? How this then? I want to do macaroni and egg. I like how she probably egg Kevin, eh? That's good for me, boy. A nice piece of chicken. Nice piece of Thai, check it out. So you eating one then?
Yeah.
Just to everybody? You want this, sorry? Yeah, have it then. Take it, sorry, take it. Castle pepper. Some nice ketchup. We're getting a better meal than this, guys. Royal Castle and mommy homemade macaroni and egg. How do this meat tasting good, huh? See, it's the best, huh? See, you look at all the macaroni already, yes, sticking, girl. Beautiful. Good meal. Kevin feeding Jamie in the corner here. Lovely, nice little vibes. Are you happy, right? You know we can be in the beach. Nice traditional wholesale macaroni.
Sorry, right there. Take a bite.
You love your chicken?
Take a bite.
Take a bite of the chicken.
Hold it down by then.
I tell you, this girl loves she chicken. Check out she's by that chicken. Just like she uncle. Yeah. Yes. That's what we're talking about. Nice. Yummy. I love you. Love you? You love me? You love me?
Who's that?
Are you?
She sees yourself.
Dance, Jamie. Go, Jamie. Oh, let's say
There
that.
we go.
Go, Jamie! Go, Jamie! Go, Jamie! Go, Jamie! Go, Jamie! Go, Jamie! No,
Jamie.
Go, Jamie!
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. She said don't say that.
Go, Jamie!
Don't say that. Thank you.
Go, Jamie! Go, Jamie! No, go, Jamie! No!
No. No.
Don't say that! Don't say that! We're going to the big pool. We're going to the big pool. We're going to the big pool. I'm kidding. Let me go. Anya, come. We're going. Wait. My shoes.
Alia.
We're going to the big pool. No thank you, darling. No thank you.
Okay, when you come back, all of we checking out up here with the gears alone.
We're going to the big pool. We're going to the big pool. Anya, come. We're going to the big pool. 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 Come on, here, you hold it. We're going to the big pool. We're going to the big pool. We're going to the big pool. It's a big pool. We're going to the big pool. We're going to the big pool.
Marco, Polo, go get the camera. I'm gonna show it up. You ready? I'll go there, go there. Look here.
Daddy, wait till I get started.
Watch this, man. Why the baby swimming? Why the baby swimming? You okay? You okay?
Jimmy!
Where's Jimmy? So guys, the three of them going on top this slide. This slide is the same way I know it like 10 years ago. Ali, come down. Jade coming, Alia? Check Jade. Swim Jade, swim Jade. Alright, Jade is our boss. Good job. Go, 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 go. Let's hurry. Oh, let's hurry stuck. Sorry, what happened? Swim, sorry, swim. Swim, sorry, swim. You good? Sorry, how you then? How you stuck? All I show me now ain't coming on back this stuff. All I see me now. I feel she's slowing down herself, Kevin. Vinaya. She's slowing down herself. You just lie down. Vinaya, lie down, lie down, lie down. Lie down. Swim, swim, swim. A deep swim. Go in the next one then now. Vinaya, let her lie down flat. You going back? No, Vinaya, you need to lie down. Look, Jade coming on good, watch. You going back? Go now, go, go, go.
Lie down flat, just put up right line. You'll come back down with that kind of speed.
Yeah. Jed, wait! Jed! Jed! No, I went on the yellow one. I just can't do that. I'll do it. If you go, I'll go. I'm afraid of heights. Don't die. Wait, oh wait, Jade, I want a video tip going on. Wait. Yeah. Force it. Face it towards your face like this. What?
Turn the camera to this slide.
That thing was so freaking fast! Yes, Siri! Jane, in the next play, you can teach Mark to swim. What? In the next pool when we go after, you can teach Mark to swim. Yeah, sure. Hey, hold it. I want to go again. That one was so fun.
So guys, me and Anya want to take a slide, so you're going to start, you're going to go with you, right? That's the most advanced slide, eh? Good. Alright, so let's keep coming back. Anya, slow down, baby. Me and Anya going to the slide. Give me a dance. Alright, good. Step. Wait, wait, and wait. Yeah, wait on daddy. Wait, I want to get all your going down. Is that a good little height? There's nobody here, daddy boy. No life, nobody. You're on your own. Alright, sorry. Go ahead, take your time. Come this side and let me watch it. Come out. Come out. Yeah, Anya, you be careful, eh? Yeah. Well, you hold the camera, right? Yeah. Right? So you put straight. Hold the camera, ready? Yeah. You sure? Yeah. Oh my God! I saw it on a little bit. You ready? We going down. You good? So guys, I'll let Anya go with them. And I'll stay right here and wait on she. Come baby. Anya come in, Anya. Anya come. Hold this. Hold this. Hold it. I'll catch Anya. Hold it right there. Hold it right there.
Again.
Slip.
I do it like that blue one. It smells stink.
I want to do it again.
Okay, I'll try. I don't know. Anya, only the yellow one, not the other one, eh? Well, imagine Kevin played this baby slide, watch. And this all the little children going. Beg him. Kevin, one slide. One slide. Alia, Kevin afraid to go on the slide. And she went.
You see where the water?
No, I look at you.
Water reaching me.
What?
Going on the big slide. Kev, I'm too scared to go. I see the chicken. I wonder which one is going on though. Which one is going on, sorry? Neither. Sure. I think I'll go on the yellow one because sorry, I'm going on the blue one. I want to go on the yellow one. He says so freaking. You okay? Oh shit. Okay, I want on the yellow one. Ready? Go! Wow!
You love Uncle Vidas?
Yeah!
Why? Why you love Uncle Vidas for?
I am.
Why you like? Come mama, come. This girl say she like your daddy. She like your daddy. She say she daddy. Don't tell she that no she daddy. Oh look, Kevin going on get you. Anya. Do you want to hold it? Wait, what I do?
Look, have you? Look. Thank you.
Look, she can't play on here. Wait, no more stop it.
I got on the slide. Uncle Kevin is a scaredy cat. He do not know. He too scared to go on the slide. I guess to go on the slide alone. Well, Uncle Kevin and my father gonna catch me, but Daddy's too tired to catch me. So Uncle Kevin catching me. Then we're going back in the big pool. And the big pool, very nice. I could literally stand up for a long time. Yeah, for a long time. These stairs, I feel my stairs. Second time. It's like the second time I went as a 7-year-old. Actually, no, yeah. Let's go.
guys, I'm gonna kite this. Hey, baby, watch. I'm gonna kite this little baby up the big slide. Hey, so long, little monkey. So long, little monkey.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wait. You excited?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I fighting and you excited? Yeah. Huh. I'm gonna hold your hand. These railings can be a little thinner. The railings can very wide. It's just me. I find this railing a little wide. I don't have it much more now. When I hold this, get me and baby first and your hand about the camera. Just stop, baby. Wait. Oh, Hammer. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it with your two hands. You ready? Hold it with your two hands. Hold it with your two hands. You ready? You ready? Hold it there. Hold it. Hold it, baby. Hold it, baby. Hold it, baby. Hold it, baby. You ready? We going down. She good, man, coming. Give my bugs. Give my bugs. You enjoyed? You enjoyed? Let's check out the baby pool, guys. Amma, come. There we go. Come on, ma. Come down, Alia. Slide down. Ama, yan. I'll give it a step here right now. Yeah. Get out of here. Very nice place, guys. Perfect for the kids. They love it. It's like a beautiful sunset, my God. Allez, run that circle, Ariel. Run that circle. Good job. Come. There we go. No, we're playing a little bit. Alia. Yeah, she goes. Hey, big man thing, I like to come in the water back and thing, you know. I enjoy it just as much as my kids. We never went to walk up or thing when we was small. So I had to enjoy it now with them. Let's go! I know madness what they're doing here. I don't know. I ain't kind of far walk that side yet. I ain't seen nobody making a cook. Huh?
Can I go down the side with the thing?
Yes, go to the side.
Yeah, I'm going to
Are they sure?
Yeah.
Are they love me?
Yeah.
For sure?
Yeah. Yay!
Check it out.
Who's on our island? Whoa, that thing! Woo! Give me. What's that? That's bad though. That's so loud. No. That is on 9%.
Yeah?
It's on 9%.
I know thing. Come on, Kevin.
You don't like it? You don't like it on
La 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 la. Ba 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 ba.
Can you imagine if that car sit on the big one?
No. No. The baby's enjoying themselves here. One baby here. Come here, one macaroni. Come here, one macaroni. Come here, one macaroni. Come. Macaroni, there we go. Mashu, one macaroni. Come, baby. Macaroni was a hit. Macaroni was a hit. It's almost done. Egg. Come, baby. Okay. Yummy here, more. Yummy. Let's go. Let's go. Hold it down.
Okay.
Hold it once. Hold it. Ready?
Yeah.
You get away?
Yeah.
Let me see. Now we go down this slide.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hold it down. Oh my god! Woo. Oh my god! Ready? Hold it to the camera.
I go on the yellow one. Okay. You, oh. No! I have to try and get that yellow one there. It won't stink, boy. stairs are horribly bad. Going on this side now. Stairs are so bad. Yeah. Woo! Oh no, oh no. These slides. Like camels. We know like chicken or camel? Yeah. Camels are chicken, that's what happened. Yeah, he can only go down this slide. Like it's not that scary the tree. It's not that scary. We're 8 and 7, 9 and 11 and 12. What's the problem? And even Amma, I think she's 4. Yeah, she's 4. She's 4 and she won't be able enough to go down. Like I had to say this.
Go through, you can go back.
Gotta go. Yellow. She will say, we didn't give a cheese. We didn't give a cheese.
Sorry, I had to get it out.
You dance, man. Well dance. Well dance. Well dance. And you well dance. Go, just go.
No.
They do. See look how nice they do it. Just somebody falling asleep. Eat, baby, eat snacks, baby. Baba, eat. Eat a snack, yeah. Eat a snack, baby, yeah. Eat a snack, Baba. You had a real good day. You had a real good day. This is worth it, this guys. And then the best part of my day was, you try and leave the pool and come straight by me and say, Daddy, I love you. Yes, I love the pool. And then run back. That's so. So the baby now, she over time. I think there's a great way to end this video, guys. Beautiful day. All you enjoy yourself? Hello? All you enjoy yourself? Kevin, enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Quiet, nice, relaxing day. Enjoy yourself? You enjoy yourself? They're ready to come, guys. Please close it up in like 15 minutes. And we out. Bye-bye. Like, subscribe. Please like the video.